95% of drivers are flushing thousands of dollars down the drain because they don't know these 15 simple secrets. Most people think car maintenance has to be expensive, but I'm going to show you how to bypass the repair shops and detailers entirely. We're talking about professional-grade results using items already sitting in your kitchen or bathroom. Let's get to work. Hack number 15. Vaseline for instant interior trim restoration. Walk into any high-end detail shop and you'll see rows of expensive trim restorers that are mostly just fancy oils. Here's the truth. Vaseline is a highly refined petroleum jelly that acts as a deep tissue moisturizer for your car's plastics. Over time, UV rays bake the natural oils out of your dashboard and door panels, making them look gray and ashy. By applying a thin layer of Vaseline and buffing it in, you aren't just adding shine, you're remoisturizing the material to prevent it from becoming brittle. It also works wonders on your rubber door seals. If your doors ever stick in the winter or you hear wind noise at high speeds, it's because those seals are dry. A $3 tub of Vaseline can literally save you from a $1,000 dashboard replacement. How many of you have noticed your door seals starting to turn gray? Let me know in the comments. Hack number 14. Hair dryer to pop out car dents. Body shops love charging $300 for paintless dent removal on a small ding. If the paint isn't cracked, you can often do this yourself using the physics of thermal expansion. Use a hair dryer to heat the dent for about 3 minutes until the metal is hot to the touch. This makes the molecular structure of the panel more pliable. Then immediately hit it with a blast of compressed air held upside down. The liquid CO2 coming out of that can is roughly degrees C. That extreme rapid temperature drop causes the metal to contract so violently, it often pops back into its original memory shape. You've just saved $294 in under 5 minutes. Hack number 13. Mechanical key for instant emergency access. It's the ultimate panic moment. Your key fob battery dies and you think you're stranded. Most people call a locksmith and wait an hour in a dark parking lot, but your car was designed with a fail-safe you're probably ignoring. Inside 99% of modern fobs is a physical emergency blade. There's a tiny slide lock or button on the back of the plastic housing. Pull it and the key slides out. Even if your car doesn't have a visible keyhole on the driver's door, look underneath the door handle. There's often a small plastic cap you can pop off with that very key to reveal the hidden cylinder. It's a zero-cost solution for a crisis that usually costs $150 in towing fees. Hack number 12. Orange peel for crystal clear headlight lenses. Forget those $20 restoration kits that leave your headlights looking worse a month later. Those kits use harsh chemicals that strip the UV coating. Instead, use an orange. The oils in an orange peel, specifically D-limonene, are natural solvents that eat through plastic oxidation without scouring the lens. Rub the pith side, the white part, onto the hazy lens. The citric acid breaks down the yellowed crust of dead plastic. It's not just a cleaning trick. The natural oils provide a temporary hydrophobic barrier that repels water and prevents immediate reoxidation. It's the cheapest vision insurance you'll ever buy. Hack number 11. Toothpaste to seal surface paint scratches. If you have a light clear coat scratch, the kind that disappears when it gets wet, don't go to a body shop. You don't need a respray, you need a polishing compound. Standard white toothpaste is actually a microabrasive paste similar to what pros use to finish a paint job. The grit in the toothpaste is fine enough to level the clear coat around the scratch, filling the microscopic valley and making it invisible to the eye. Rub it in circular motions with a damp cloth and you'll see the scratch vanish. It's a $2 fix for a problem that usually leads to a $500 insurance deductible. Hack number 10. Silicone spray for smooth and silent car windows. Do your windows groan or move slowly when you roll them up? Most people think the motor is dying and prepare to spend $400 on a replacement. In reality, 80% of the time, it's just friction in the rubber tracks. Spray a dedicated silicone lubricant, not WD-40, which can attract dust directly into the vertical channels where the glass slides. Silicone is dry and won't gunk up. It reduces the load on your window regulator motor by nearly 50%, effectively doubling its lifespan. This 60-second maintenance task prevents the most common interior failure in older cars. Hack number 9. Magic eraser for a spotless interior windshield. Have you ever noticed that fog on the inside of your glass that won't go away even with Windex? That's off-gassing, chemicals from your plastic dashboard literally evaporating and sticking to the glass. Standard glass cleaner just smears this oily film around. A magic eraser is made of melamine foam which acts like extremely fine sandpaper, about 3,000 to 5,000 grit. It shaves the film off the glass without scratching it. Follow it up with a dry microfiber and you'll finally stop seeing those blinding streaks when driving against the sun. Hack number 8, WD-40 to restore stuck car seat belts. If your seat belt won't retract, it's a massive safety hazard and an automatic fail on an inspection. Usually, the belt webbing has absorbed years of skin oils and dust, making it stiff and heavy. Pull the belt out all the way and lightly wipe it with a cloth dampened with WD-40 or a silicone spray. This cleans the grime and reduces the surface tension, allowing the internal clock spring to finally win the tug-of-war and pull the belt back in. It saves you from the $300 cost of a new retractor assembly. Hack number 7, vodka for streak-free wiper fluid. Commercial de-icer fluid is often just watered-down methanol with blue dye. In a pinch, or for a superior clean, use cheap vodka. Ethanol has a much lower freezing point than water and acts as a potent degreaser. Mixing vodka into your reservoir prevents the lines from freezing at -20 degrees C and cuts through the salt film that standard blue fluid leaves behind. Plus, unlike industrial methanol, it won't damage your paint or your rubber seals over time. Hack number 6, black shoe polish for faded exterior trim. Those black plastic mirrors and bumper guards eventually turn a sad shade of gray. Most back-to-black products are just silicone that washes off in the first rain. Black shoe polish is a dye-based wax designed to penetrate and seal. It fills the pores of the plastic with actual pigment. Once it dries and you buff it, it becomes water-resistant and lasts for months. It's the difference between a car that looks used and a car that looks showroom-ready. Hack number 5, hazard-like double tap for emergency lane signaling. This is a professional driving tactic. If you're flying down the highway and see traffic at a dead stop ahead, don't just hit the brakes, double tap your hazards. Human eyes are wired to notice flashing lights faster than solid ones. By activating your hazards, you're creating a visual alarm for the driver behind you who might be distracted. It's the single best way to prevent being the bread in a multi-car sandwich. Hack number 4, olive oil for instant tire shine restoration. Want that wet look tires have after a detail? Don't buy those petroleum-based sprays. They actually dry out the rubber and cause dry rot over time. Olive oil is a natural conditioner. A light wipe down with olive oil gives you a rich, deep black finish that doesn't sling onto your paint when you drive away. It keeps the rubber supple and prevents the sidewalls from cracking in the summer heat. Hack number 3, brake fluid flush to stop dangerous brake fade. This is the most ignored maintenance item in automotive history. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it literally sucks moisture out of the air. Over 2 years, that moisture lowers the boiling point of the fluid. If you're driving down a long hill and your brakes feel mushy, that's water boiling in your lines. A $10 bottle of fluid and 30 minutes of your time is all it takes to ensure your car actually stops when you need it to. When was the last time you actually changed your brake fluid? Be honest. Hack number 2, gas cap holder for instant fueling convenience. Stop letting your gas cap dangle against your paint. That tether is only there so you don't lose the cap, but the gasoline residue on the cap will eat through your clear coat over time. Almost every car made after 1995 has a cradle or a hook on the inside of the fuel door. It's designed to hold the cap at an angle where it can't touch the body of the car. It's a hidden feature that prevents thousands of microscopic scratches on your rear quarter panel. Hack number 1, baking soda for a deep clean car seat. The number 1 reason cars smell old isn't trash, it's the odors trapped deep inside the foam of the seats. Shampooing often just pushes the dirt deeper. Baking soda is an amphoteric substance, meaning it neutralizes both acidic and alkaline odors. Liberally coat your seats, let it sit for 2 hours to draw the moisture and smells out, and vacuum. It's a $1 detail that makes your car feel brand new. If these secrets just saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit that subscribe button. Your car and your bank account will thank you.